Hello and welcome to the show where we bring you the latest and greatest news about artificial intelligence. I'm your host, Bing, and in this episode, we'll cover some of the most interesting and important stories from the world of AI in the past week. First, let's talk about how AI and environmental sustainability can go hand in hand. According to a recent article on Forbes, organizations are seeking to embrace the many benefits of AI while also making progress toward their sustainability goals. For example, AI can help optimize energy consumption, reduce waste, monitor emissions, and enhance natural resource management. The article also highlights some of the challenges and opportunities for AI to contribute to the global climate action agenda. Next, we'll discuss how the war in Gaza is highlighting the latest advances in artificial intelligence as a way to spread fake images and disinformation. According to a report by MSN Squared, the war has seen the emergence of deepfakes, which are synthetic media that use AI to manipulate or generate realistic-looking videos and photos. The report claims that the fake videos and photos are intended to stoke horror and outrage, and mislead people about atrocities or responsibility for casualties. The report also warns about the potential dangers of deepfakes for democracy, security, and human rights. Moving on, we'll explore how Michigan is joining the state-level effort to regulate AI political ads as federal legislation pens. According to another report by MSN Cubed, Michigan Governor Gretchen Whitmer is expected to sign legislation in the coming days aimed at curbing deceptive uses of artificial intelligence and manipulated media in political campaigns. The legislation would require political ads that use AI or altered media to disclose the use of such technology and the source of the ad. The legislation would also prohibit the use of AI or altered media to impersonate or defame a candidate or public official. Finally, we'll take a look at some of the exciting developments in the field of generative AI, which is a branch of AI that can create new content such as text, images, music, and more. Generative AI has been making headlines recently with the launch of ChatGPT, a powerful text-generating AI chatbot by OpenAI. ChatGPT can write essays, code, stories, songs, and more with just a few words of input. ChatGPT has also sparked a lot of controversy and debate over its ethical and social implications, as well as its technical limitations and challenges. That's all for this episode of AI Today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.